Vegetarian meal prep for healthy lunch ideas. Hey friends, it's Elizabeth, and on today's episode, we're gonna do awesome vegetarian meal prep to get all set for meal prep for the week, but healthy style with all of our vegetables. So a special thank you to Freshjax Organic Spices for sponsoring today's video. Down in the description link below, I do have a discount code for you. For every 2 large bottles purchased, Freshjax will donate a meal to prevent childhood hunger, and they have the cleanest, best organic ingredients in all of their spices. It's the staple here in our kitchen. So what I'm gonna do is take a whole zucchini, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it up and start marinating it in some olive oil with the organic Freshjax Greek seasoning. I love their Greek seasoning because of the powerful flavor of the mint in it. It complements the zucchini actually very well. I'm going to freshly grate some Parmesan cheese to put on top, and we're going to use this in a cast iron skillet. If you don't have a cast iron skillet, you can simply just transfer the cooked zucchini into a glass pan and then put it on your broiler. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle that Parmesan cheese on top, put that in the broiler, and again, you can see the spices are really enhanced in this as it's cooking, and that is the finished meal. It is so good, so flavorful, and that Freshjax mint and the Greek seasoning makes a big difference, but the crispy outer crust from the broiler, put it in for 2 minutes, is going to make a huge difference for your vegetarian meal. So next I'm going to take another zucchini and organic radishes, cut them all up, put them on some parchment paper, preheat my oven to 415 degrees, and I also had some organic Brussels sprouts, cut those up, and then we're going to go ahead and chop these and put a little bit of olive oil on. I like Laconico olive oil, and we're going to drizzle that on top of it to make sure that there's some high fats included in our vegetarian meal prep as well. Then we're going to go ahead and use our Freshjax Island Spice. This is a great Jamaican jerk seasoning. You can use it on vegetables. If you do eat meats, it can be put on there, but I love having it on our vegetables. Of course, the Greek seasoning is one of the staples I use in our kitchen, but I wanted to have the spice on the vegetables with the Island Jerk seasoning from Freshjax. And again, I do have a discount code that I'll link down below. Cook it on 415 degrees for 15 minutes, flip it over, cook it for another 15 minutes, and there you have your beautiful vegetarian meal. My friends, make sure you get your Freshjax down in the description link below, and we'll see you next time. Click subscribe, like, and we'll see you again.